Hello and welcome to a 22,000 square foot entertainment space for the brand Dave & Buster's, who have done this with the Malpani Group and designed by us at Isaji's Atelier. It's a complete fun area, just a play zone where you can come play games, eat, drink, relax and have a really good time. We are currently in the entrance foyer area, so you have a lift that directly takes you up. It's within a shopping mall complex, and so it comes up and you're directly in this waiting room area. So this area is actually pretty large. It must be about 600-700 square feet, because when people come for gaming, they always come in large groups. You never come solo, you always come with a large group. So you have a hostess desk here where the hostess can greet you, and then she tells you which direction you're supposed to go in. So I'll take you through area wise. This entire first area is the main cafeteria, okay? So all your large bar area element is here. And then this is the entire restaurant space. Dave & Buster brand colors are orange and blue, okay? So you'll see a lot of this very bright blue and this bright orange coming through the space. And we've used it in many different ways and elements. And we've also used the inspiration of games as a large element for the space. So in this area, we have the biggest screen. We have many screens in this space, but this is the biggest main screen. And on the back wall, it's a completely Tetris-inspired back panel, which is done in plywood and paint. And then this is the DJ booth and console. So we've got all the equipment lined up here. And then the DJ gets this lovely bird's eye view of everyone that's there. And everyone can see the DJ as well. So all the equipment is here when there's an amazing party happening. Everyone can be here in this space. For the flooring, we've taken a very rough, non-slip tile, which is very good for high traffic areas. And we also wanted to fill the entire ceiling with some design elements because we have an 18-foot ceiling height. So what we've done is pretty cost-effective but high impact. We've taken these curved metal panels and then just put a metal mesh in between them and then uplit it with blue light. It's an important design element. When we were planning the space, we knew we wanted this bar to be a huge design element. So we've actually utilized this bar drop as both a design element and a way to hide the AC ducting. And you can see that the bar is raised, which works very well for us now aesthetically. But the real reason why it was raised is because we were struggling with getting plumbing points in the building, and so we had to raise the flooring in order to accommodate that. But that's been a very successful experience for us because this entire thing gives a very good show and a very good effect. Now coming into this space, we have two areas. One area is an area that can get cordoned off. They're currently just cleaning and setting up, so just forgive what's happening in the background. But we have an entire baffled ceiling here, and within the squares we've incorporated the AC. And we've used a laminate here which looks exactly like real wood, so it's very easy to maintain as well. And here we've got this directional flooring that takes you through the entire space. If you're having a party or a private event, you can block this off, and else you can continue on into the rest of this area, which is the rest of the restaurant area. They also did something here which is very interesting. In the space before, there was natural light coming all the way across this. But they wanted to block out the natural light in order for the clients and customers to not know whether it was day and night. So they continue to game all the way through. Now let me take you through some more of the other areas. We have two social bays. So this is a kind of a newer concept of a space where if you are a group of 6 to 8 people, you can settle into one of these social bays. And they've got games from this UK-based brand for the first time in India. And it's a dartboard which is actually with an interactive screen. So you can eat, drink and play games in the privacy of this, but you're still kind of connected to everything else. So it's not like a blocked off space, but it's still private enough to give you some space here. Here we've done this really fun wall using LED neon signage. So gold digger and I have mixed drinks about feelings, just some tongue-in-cheek thing. And now I'm about to take you guys through the absolute heart of this whole space, which is the whole gaming zone. It's a bit noisy, but it's super fun. So come with me as I take you through it. So we have this directional light that takes you through, which changes colors. And in this entire space, it's jam-packed with all kinds of games. including this one, which is a one-of-a-kind game that costs almost 40 lakh rupees, and it's a complete VR headset included in this game. We've also got this very cute Volkswagen little machine where you can pick all of the toys out. And this is another one which is a famous game of theirs, which also has a VR headset, and it's a Godzilla-based game. We've got a whole bunch of things happening in this area for gaming. And the ceiling has got a very cool design element with these squares, which look like, you know, when you're playing a dancing game, you can kind of tap on those squares and they light up. So we wanted it to light up in different areas to give you that very interactive feeling. And as you come through, we've got all kinds of games that are there here. And this is something that's very cool for us. It's inspired by Pac-Man, and this is the Win store. So when you have got lots and lots of tickets going from all of the video games that you've played, you can cash it in here and come to the Win store and see what you won for yourself after hours and hours of playing here. And we've also got an entire merchandise rack here. We wanted to have multiple points where people can interact with the brand. And so we've also given them a chance to buy things that are branded and brand related, which is pretty cool. And now I'm going to take you through what I think is the most interesting part, which is the bowling alley. And this as well is a completely one-of-a-kind bowling alley. So through here is the bowling alley. And in this space, they've used a technology called Spark by Brunswick. And there's only 2 of them in Mumbai, I believe. This is one of 2. And this uses an entire software of projection on the entire space. So on each of the lanes, they project all kinds of different graphics that go on it. And this is a structural wall. We couldn't do anything here, so we had to keep this as is. And we had to then fit this within that. So we've got an acoustic ceiling because we know it gets very, very noisy in bowling alley areas. And apart from, you know, the pins and the bowling pins, people are also very loud and noisy. And then we've got this little blue checkered screen. And we've got that as a back panel, which is fiber optics, which just kind of twinkle and leave a good backdrop for you. So as you are bowling, you have something nice there. And finally, in this space, we've got this seating area here where you can sit while you are waiting for your turn to bowl, and you can pull off your shoes and just relax. Phew, that was a lot of space that I have walked you through. Please let me know what you guys thought about this 22,000 square foot space we built in Bombay, and whether you will be bringing your friends and family here and celebrating an occasion. And I hope you guys like the design work that we've done. We have lots more videos coming on our YouTube soon. Please like, subscribe, share, and continue on our YouTube channel, so it encourages us to put up a lot more videos just like this. Thanks, guys.